If you're a fan of art, or even just technology, then you're going to love these AI art generators. Midjourney, Dall-E 2, and Stable Diffusion are all programs that use artificial intelligence to create pieces of art. Each one has its unique qualities, which we will discuss in this video. So far, the reaction to these generators has been overwhelmingly positive, and I think you'll see why once you see them in action. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy it. Midjourney is an AI art generator that uses a neural network to create images. The program was created by David Holes and team. Midjourney is unique in that it doesn't just create random images, but tries to interpret the input data and generate an image based on that interpretation. This makes for some very interesting results, as you can see in this example. The Midjourney team has released a few videos showing off the capabilities of their program, and I highly recommend you check them out. Dall-E 2 is another AI art generator, but it takes a different approach to image generation. Rather than using a neural network, Dall-E 2 uses something called a generative adversarial network GAN. This means that there are two competing algorithms working together to create an image. The first algorithm creates an image, and the second algorithm tries to guess what that image is. As the two algorithms learn from each other, they produce better and better results. You can see some examples of what Dall-E 2 can do here. Dall-E 2 was created by OpenAI's Artificial Intelligence Research Group. Dall-E 2 takes a different approach than Midjourney in that it doesn't try to interpret the input data. Instead, it simply looks at the data and creates an image based on what it sees. This approach results in some very realistic images, as you can see in this example. Stable Diffusion is the third AI art generator on our list. Stable Diffusion is unique in that it doesn't just create static images, but also animations. This makes for some very beautiful and fluid results, as you can see in this example. The art is made by algorithms that are trained on a data set of images. The artists who created the platform have a background in AI and wanted to create a platform that would make it easy for anyone to create AI-created art. The platform is still in its infancy, but the two artists have already created some stunning artworks. The teams that are working on Stable Diffusion are currently working on expanding the platform so that it can be used by more people. AI-created art is often lauded for its uniqueness, and rightfully so. After all, these pieces are created by machines, not humans. But what exactly makes AI-created art so different from traditional art? For one thing, AI art is often more abstract than traditional art. This is because AI algorithms are not limited by the same cognitive biases that human artists are. As a result, AI art often contains elements that would be considered flaws in traditional art, such as asymmetry or unusual color combinations. However, these flaws are often what give AI-created art its distinctive character. In addition, AI art is often created by combining multiple images or pieces of data, something that would be nearly impossible for a human artist to do. This allows AI-created art to explore new ideas and concepts that traditional art simply cannot. So next time you see a piece of AI-created art, take a moment to appreciate its uniqueness. It truly is like nothing you've ever seen before. The three top AI art generators are out now. Each one has its unique qualities, which make for some very interesting results. AI art is a new and exciting field that is helping to push the boundaries of what is possible in the world of art. By using algorithms and AI to create art, artists can create unique works that would not be possible to create without the use of AI. AI art is also helping to open up new avenues of exploration for artists, giving them new tools and techniques to work with. In addition, AI art is providing a new way for artists to interact with their audience, as they can create art that is interactive and can respond to the viewer. As AI art continues to develop, it is likely that it will have a major impact on the world of art and will help to shape the future of the industry. Midjourney, Dall-E 2, and Stable Diffusion are all very different from one another in terms of their approach and results. Midjourney tries to interpret the input data, while Dall-E 2 just looks at it and creates an image based on what it sees. Stable Diffusion is unique in that it doesn't just create static images, but also animations. Comparing the three AI art generators Midjourney, Dall-E 2, and Stable Diffusion side by side is interesting because of how different they each are. Midjourney has a more whimsical approach with its interpretation of data, while Dall-E 2 is more realistic. And lastly, Stable Diffusion's animations are really beautiful and fluid. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video on the top 3 AI art generators out now. Midjourney, Dall-E 2, and Stable Diffusion are each very unique and create some interesting results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.